So we have to subtract 4 from x and y.
No. This is the equation of the circle. From here we have written this. From here we got this. Still we are not talking about parabola. Still we are not talking about parabola. We are completely focusing on the circle pattern. Can you tell me what is the center of the circle and what is the radius of the circle? If we will compare this equation with the standard form of equation of a circle, that is x minus h square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square, where hk is the center and r is the
hk
radius.
are 0. hk are 0, so x minus 0, y minus 0.
And r is r is
4 square.
no, r is 9 by 4. Can you see? Is it possible to
Yes,
write
ma'am.
this 9 by 4 as a something square? Is it possible?
Yes, ma'am.
What is square?
3 by 2.
So r is 3 by 2. Can we say?
Yes, ma'am.
3 by 2 means what? In decimal?
1.5.
1.5. So basically this circle has radius 1.5. We can say here we are having 1.5. Radius 1.5. Center is 0, 0. Now we are having a parabola, that is x square is equals to 4y. Can you tell me how exactly our parabola will look like? Upward facing, downward facing, like which parabola? Is it this one or this one? I need to make it like this. Let me do it properly. Is it this one or this one or this one or this one? Which parabola is this? We are having the equation of the parabola as x square is equals to 4y. Can you tell me 1, 2, 3 or 4 which parabola? X square is equals to 4y. Yes, Murtaza?
Third one.
Third one, exactly. It is third one. This is how we are having the parabola. Okay. Now we have to find the area bounded by this two figure. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Find the area of the circle which is interior of the parabola. Area of the circle which is inside this parabola. Let's find it. So first of all, we need to find the point of intersection. Point of intersection of circle and the parabola. Will you be able to do that, Murtaza? 4x square plus 4y square is equals to 9 we are having, and the other equation is y square, x square is equals to 4y. From here, at first we will be figure B, a rough sketch we have drawn. Okay. Now we will try finding the point of intersection of this two figure. Please find it by solving this two equation. Find the x value and y value. Are you able to solve this two equation to get the value of x and y?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, do it. Do it and let me know.
Ma'am,
Yes, Murtaza, got it.
minus 9 by 2 and 1 by 2.
Minus 9 by 2 and 1 by 2. These are the two different x value or y value.
Y values.
Okay. And what about x values?
Uh,
Have you work something like this? 4x square plus 4y square is equals to 9 and x square is equals to 4y. Oh yeah. Yeah. Let me check.
Ma'am, x square is root 3 by 2 whole square.
X is root 3 by 2 whole square.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you solved for y like this, Murtaza?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So is it coming something like that? 576. Right? Right, Murtaza?
Uh,
Have you done exactly like this or any other way?
1 minute, ma'am. Oh, ma'am, I did not get the 500.
Uh, the exactly same way you have done, or like you have applied different. There are so many ways to solve this two equation. Okay, which way you have done? Just I want to know that.
Okay, ma'am. I followed the same procedure. What you did?
Mm-hmm. 4x square plus 4y square is equals to 9. It is given over here, right? 4x square, 4y square is equals to 9. And one more equation is there, that is x square is equals to 4y, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. This x square we can substitute over here, Murtaza, right? That is 4y over here,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
So let's substitute it. At the place of x square, we can write 4y over here. And then plus 4y square plus 9 as it is. Now we are having, not plus 9 is equals to 9. Now we are having equation where one variable is there. That means one type of variable is there. And whenever we are having such equation where one type of variable is there, it is solvable. We will be able to solve it. So 4 times 16y plus 4y square is equals to 9. If we will take 9 to this side, and we will be able to write it in the quadratic form, 4y square plus 16y minus 9 is equals to 0. Yeah, 576 will not come because I have kept 16 with the y square. Let me check what will come exactly. So 4 into 9, 36 we are getting, and we have to make 16. So we will try splitting the middle term. That will work over here, I believe. 6 uh, 4 into 9 36. It will be taking 2 2 and here 3 3. Yeah, 18 and 2. 18 and 2 is making the combination which will give 16, and multiplied together is making 36. So 18y plus 18y minus 2y, that will give plus 16y. Is it clear so far, Murtaza?
Yes, ma'am.
Like this only you have also done, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the common factor from the first two terms?
Y, yeah.
Just y?
Y square.
No. Check it. Tell me what is the common
2y.
factor? 2y. What will be the remaining?
2y plus 9y.
Plus 9. 9y or
Oh,
9?
yes, ma'am.
Minus 1 is common, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then again we'll be having 2y plus 9. So we got 2y plus 9 and we got 2y minus 1. Yeah, I can see you have also got the same. Yeah, you have also got the same. Like this only you have done, Murtaza?
No, I did
Yes or
the
no?
method you did first. Like before this,
Quadratic?
the root one.
Okay,
Quadratic one.
quadratic formula. Okay. So this is what we got, y value, and x value we can find because we know x square is 4y. X square is 4y, and this is the easiest equation where we can substitute y value one by one. What you got x as a?
Uh, plus or minus root 2.
Plus root 2 and minus root 2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. X square is equals to 4 into plus 9 by 2.
Ma'am, I substituted 1 by 2.
Yeah, because this one is not giving anything. Inside the square root, if negative number is there, that is not real number, that is imaginary number. Complex number chapter you have done. So we are not going to talk about that. We will be taking 1 by 2 and yeah, that will only help. So yeah, root plus root 2 and minus root 2. When x is minus root 2, y is 1 by 2. When x is plus root 2, then also y is 1 by 2. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Here we have to find the area bounded by both the curve. So this area we can see, right, Murtaza? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, we will be focusing on finding this area, and here the formula. Here also we will be using the same formula which we were using in the previous part, y dx, but here two different curves are there. So for now, just keep in mind that we will be taking upward curve minus downward curve. Upward curve minus downward curve. If you will focus over here, what is the upward curve? Is it parabola or circle?
Parabola.
Check it carefully. Upward
No, no,
curve,
no,
is
no.
it?
Okay, okay, okay. It's circle.
It's circle. So y dx, when we will be we will be taking the upward curve minus the downward curve, that dx will be taking over here, and x ranging from where to where, that will be taking over here. While taking y1 minus y2, please don't get confused. We will always be taking upward curve minus downward curve, or we will be taking right curve minus left curve. Okay, and we will be able to take out the answer. So y1 we are going to get from the circles equation. Y2 means y only. We will be getting from the parabola's equation. Now the limit we already know, x is ranging from 0 to root 2. X is ranging from 0 to root 2. So like that we will only be able to find this part, this yellow shaded part. What about the other part? That we can get by doing the multiplication of this integral by 2. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Do it. Please do it.
Okay.
Are you doing it, Murtaza?
Yes, ma'am.
Please give me 5 minutes, okay? There is some urgency. Just give me 5 minutes. Please do in between finish it. I'm here, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, ma'am.
Done, Murtaza?
Yes, ma'am. I got root 2 by 6 plus 9 by 4 sine inverse into 2 root 2 by 3.
Okay. So you have taken in the same manner, that is upward curve minus downward curve. Right, Murtaza?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Let's do the next one. So at first we need to draw we must have the idea how exactly the shape will look like. Okay. Rough sketch we will be drawing. We will be finding the point of intersection, and then we will be finding the point of intersection, and then we will check that which area is the area bounded by both the curve or whatever the question says, and then we will be finding the area by taking either upward curve minus downward curve, or maybe sometime we'll be taking right curve minus left curve. Do the next one, please do it.
Okay, ma'am.
Find the area bounded by the curve. Again there is a circle and there is one more circle, right?
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
you are aware about, like, when the equation of the circle will be given, what will be the center and what will be the radius, you will be able to identify, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Do it. Here we are having one of the circle. You keep on doing it. Can you tell me, Murtaza, what is the center of the first circle?
1. Sorry.
Center is
It's 0, comma 0.
coordinate. Coordinate I am asking. 0, 0? Is it 0, 0 for the first circle? Can you see the screen?
1, 0.
Exactly, it is 1, 0. And radius is
1.
Yeah, continue. Have you found the point of intersection?
Yes, ma'am. 1.
What is that?
Uh,
Can you hear me? Yes, Murtaza. Are you finding the point of intersection of both the circles?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, do it. Here it will be easier to substitute. Like any way you can do it. Our x and y value will be same. So whatever you feel, first do it. I'm telling you. What you have got for x and y?
Ma'am,
Let's
I'm
see.
not getting it.
Okay, let's see. We are having x minus 1 whole square plus y square is equals to 1, and we are having x square plus y square is equals to 1. There are so many ways, but since this is also 1, this is also 1, so I'm going to compare both. So we can write it x minus 1 whole square plus y square, or from here you can substitute y square in the other equation. It's the same thing. Okay, I'm going to write that is equals to x square plus y square. Y square gone. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Or if this one is not, you are not getting, then you can substitute y square from here to here. Y square will be 1 minus x square, right? So
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can substitute it in the first equation. X minus 1 square. At the place of y square, I am going to write this. 1 minus x square and is equals to 1. Okay. Now a minus b whole square. What is the formula for that? A square.
A square plus a square minus 2 b square plus 2ab.
A square minus a square minus 2ab plus b square. Let me write the formula over here. A plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. A plus b whole square formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square. You have mixed everything. A minus b whole square formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Do you know that, Murtaza?
Yes.
Okay, so this formula we are going to apply over here. Minus 2ab plus b square plus 1 we are having minus x square is equals to 1 still we are having on the other side, which we can take to this side. We will be taking, but before that, can you see this minus x square plus x square is what?
Cancel.
Cancelled. Okay, and we are getting minus 2x plus 2 is equals to 1. Any confusion so far?
No, ma'am.
Which implies find the x value from here. Quickly, find the x value from here. What you got, Murtaza?
Minus 1
Minus 1.
by 2.
Is it so?
No, no.
Is it minus 1 by 2?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. It's minus 1, just minus 1.
This 2 minus 2, Murtaza, will go to other side. Minus 1 by minus 2 will be what? Positive. Can you see it? Can you see, Murtaza?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't
I can see.
see. Minus 2x is equals to 1 was already there. This 2 we have subtracted to other side. It is negative 2. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me any confusion if you are having till
I
here.
did the same thing. I just crossed the 2's for some reason.
Don't do mistake. Otherwise, if your point is if you are taking the different x and y value which is not correct, then after that, even if you are writing the proper step like upward curve, downward curve, or maybe right curve, left curve, or maybe the concept which we are supposed to apply over here, even if you are using it correctly, what's the use of that? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
after that all the step will be incorrect. And don't believe in a step marking. Nobody gets step marking. Okay,
Okay.
do it over here. Y square is equals to 1 minus x square. Step on the name of a step marking, you will be getting half marks for solving this much, or maybe 1 marks for solving this much. So don't believe, even in the exam, whatever question you have finished, just count those questions only. This one I have finished completely, this one I have finished completely. This marks I'm going to get. Y square is equals to 1 minus x square. X we have got 1 by 2, right? Find y value.
Ma'am,
Yes, Murtaza.
plus or minus root 2 by 2.
Root 2 by 2. Now you have got
Oh
2
no,
minus
no,
1.
no, ma'am.
What are we going to get? Can you say it, Murtaza? Please don't do calculation mistake. Do the calculation carefully. Take your time. Do
Root
the
3 by 2.
calculation. Exactly. It will be root 3 by 2. That 2 plus minus, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the point of intersection? Now here we have to find area bounded by both the curve. Will you be able to annotate which area exactly we have to find over here? Will you be able to annotate, Murtaza?
Uh,
Area bounded by both the curve. Bounded area. Okay. So can you see this area we are supposed to find over here?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. This area will be finding over here. And here, if you will focus, let's find the upward portion at first, then we will multiply with 2 to get the downward portion. So basically, let's find the upward one. To find the upward one, let me wipe this shaded part so that I can make it clear for you. Basically, what we will do, we will find this much area and we will multiply by 2 to get the downward portion. Now, we will be finding area bounded. Just a second. At first, what we will do, we will find this much area. Okay. From 0, this was the point 0, 0, right? Actually, this figure we were having. One of the circle center is 1 comma 0, right? Another circle center is 0, 0, right?
Yes, ma'am.
This is how we were having the figure. You can find this area at first from 0, x is a 0, to this much. Okay, you can find from x equals to 0 to here we are having x equals to 1 by 2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
X 1 by 2 and y plus root 3 by 2. Whatever y is there, we will be taking 0 to 1 by 2 y dx. What will be y? See carefully. We are talking about which circle? We are talking about this circle, Murtaza. Can you see? We are talking
Yes,
about
ma'am.
this circle and the orange line, this circle and the orange line. Okay, so we will be able to find area from here to here plus area from the other area, this from the orange circle to till here. Okay,
Okay.
so let's do that. 2 times here, upward curve, downward curve, we are not able to do the like subtraction just like the previous one. So here we will be finding y1 dx plus the other part, that is y2 dx. Now what is y1? From 0, from 0 to x as a 1 by 2 till 1 by 2 y. Which curve is y1? We are saying this yellow part. Can you see? It is the part of which circle, Murtaza?
The second circle.
Uh, is it this circle or this circle?
X square plus y square equals 1.
No. X square plus y square is equals to 1 is this circle, Murtaza, where the center is 0, 0. That is this circle, the black circle.
Okay.
Can you see? The center is 0, 0.
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
you see? And the yellow circle, we are going to take for now yellow circle. Can you see it? That means this circle. Getting it, Murtaza?
Yes, ma'am.
If you will draw the figure, then only you will be able to understand 0 to 1 by 2. We will be taking the curve which is coming. Now the curve is a part of which equation we have to check. It's the second equation. That's why in the initially I was telling you that we will be drawing the figure and you have to be careful. दो circles है हमारे पास जिसमें से एक circle का जो center है वो 1,0 है. You only have told me 1,0 is the center. अगर यहाँ पे कॉम्पास को रख के सर्कल बनाएंगे तो कुछ ऐसा सर्कल मिलेगा, हाँ या ना?
Yes, ma'am.
जिसका सेंटर 1,0 है और इसका रेडियस कितना है? रेडियस 1 है. चेक इट. रेडियस यहाँ से यहाँ तक रेडियस कितना होगा? 1 यूनिट होगा. दैट मीन्स ये 1 से लेके 2 पे एंड कर रहा है, तभी तो रेडियस 1 यूनिट होगा, हाँ या ना?
Yes, ma'am.
आ रहा है समझ में? और एक सर्कल
Yes,
है
ma'am.
हमारे पास, और एक सर्कल है जिसका सेंटर 0, 0 है. सेंटर 0, 0. अब यहाँ कॉम्पास रख के एक सेंटर सर्कल बनाएंगे जिसका रेडियस कितना है? रेडियस 1 है. तो कुछ ऐसा सर्कल बन जाएगा. सेंटर जिसका 0, 0 होगा और रेडियस जिस इतना इतना इसको रेडियस बोलते हैं, ये 1 है. गेटिंग इट?
Yes, ma'am.
अब area bounded by both the circle, this area, the area which you can see in the middle, that area is the area bounded by both the circle. Okay, now that area if we will be finding कि यहाँ से कर्व जा रहा है. यहाँ पे हमने पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन निकाला जहाँ की x 1/2 है. तो हम लोग यहाँ से यहाँ तक का एरिया निकाल सकते हैं by taking the second, like by taking this black circle equation. That is, black circle equation is x minus 1 whole square plus y square is equals to 1. यहाँ से y निकालेंगे तो पहले वाला एरिया निकलेगा, इस ये एरिया निकलेगा. ठीक है, 0 से लेके 1/2 तक y dx करेंगे तो. और फिर 1/2 से लेके कहाँ तक? 1/2 से लेके 1 तक. दैट्स वाई आई वॉज टेलिंग यू कि हमें आइडिया होना चाहिए कि रेडियस कहाँ पे, लाइक रेडियस क्या है, सेंटर क्या है, और ऑफ स्केच वी विल बी प्लॉटिंग ओवर हियर. नाउ 1/2 से कहाँ तक? 1 तक. 1/2 से 1 तक दूसरा एरिया है जो कि ध्यान से देखो येलो सर्कल वाला एरिया है. तो वो y येलो सर्कल से y फाइंड करेंगे तो यहाँ पे पुट करेंगे. आर यू गेटिंग मी?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's do it together. We'll be taking 0 to 1/2. From here we'll be taking out y. X minus 1 whole square plus y square is equals to 1. Y will be
Uh, x minus 1 my whole square minus 1.
y square is equals to x minus 1 whole square. We can shift to another side. That will be
X minus 1 whole square minus 1.
1 is already there. Why you are getting confused, Murtaza? If only k will be there, tell me. K square is there, then what will be y? Y square. K square plus y square is equals to 1. Then y square is equals to Then y square is equals to Murtaza, y square is equals to
1 minus k square.
Similarly 1 minus x minus 1 whole square can be right.
Yes, ma'am.
But that is y square. Y will be plus minus under root 1 minus k square. But here k we don't have, x minus 1 square we are having. So what? It will be 1 minus x minus 1 whole square. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
This is what we are having. Plus 1 by 2 to 1. From where we got? From the figure. First tell me figure is clear or not.
It's clear.
Okay. 1 by 2 to 1 under root. Tell me what we are going to get as a y from the other equation.
Root
You are
3 by
having
2.
book in front. Book you are having in front of you. Why not root 3 by 2? I am asking that here also we will be taking the function from the other circle. पहले कैसे निकालते थे? ऐसा एक कर्व होता था और ऐसे एक लाइन होता था. ये एरिया निकालने के लिए हम लोग क्या करते थे? y dx लेते थे, हाँ या ना?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. अगर यहाँ x इक्वल्स टू 1 होता था, यहाँ x इक्वल्स टू 0 होता था, तो हम लोग क्या करते थे? x 0 से 1 तक y dx लेते थे या नहीं लेते थे?
Yes, ma'am.
अब ऐसा ही यहाँ पे दो पार्ट्स है हमारे पास. एक ये है और एक अदर वन ऐसे है. तो हम लोग इसका एरिया दोनों अटैच्ड है. मैंने बीच में जो गैप रखा है ना, वो गैप नहीं है, यहाँ पे दोनों अटैच्ड है. ठीक है. तो हम लोग यहाँ पे वही कंसेप्ट लगा रहे हैं कि इसका एरिया 0 से लेके, यहाँ 1 नहीं है, 1 by 2. ओके. 0 से 1 by 2 तक ये वाला एरिया निकाल रहे हैं y dx लेके. इस इक्वेशन को यूज करके y dx इसका निकाल रहे हैं. और या इसके लिए सेपरेटली एरिया निकाल रहे हैं 1 by 2 से लेके 1 तक अगेन y dx. बट दोनों में y डिफरेंट है. दो डिफरेंट कर्व्स के साथ डील कर रहे हैं हम लोग. आर यू गेटिंग इट?
Yes, ma'am. Plus or minus root 1 minus x square.
Exactly. 1 minus x square. Okay. Plus will be taken. Now we will find the area. The formula which you apply for a square minus x square, the sine inverse formula, the same formula we are supposed to apply over. Getting it, Murtaza?
Yes, ma'am.
Will you be able to do from here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Try the next one for now. Here we are supposed to find the area bounded by the curve y square is equals to x plus 2 yx x0 x3. At first we will be plotting the figure properly. So identity function, can you recall in class 11 there was modulus function, identity function. Do you know the graph of y is equals to x, Murtaza? Yes, Murtaza, y is equals to x graph. Do you know that?
Yes, ma'am.
How exactly it will look like?
It's a straight line.
Passing through
0, 0.
straight line passing through origin. It's a identity function. Okay. F of x is equals to x was identity function over there, which we can write as a y is equals to x. This is the function. Now the other equation is y square is equals to x plus 2. y
Ma'am,
square
it's
is
just
equals to,
y is equal to x square plus 2.
oh yeah, it is y is equals to x square plus 2. How exactly this equation curve will look like?
Uh,
Is it a parabola? A parabola which we have seen as a, the parabola which we have seen as a, like y square
yes,
is
ma'am.
equals to 4ax, x square is equals to 4ay. Okay, it looks like
Yes.
that only. One side x square is there, another side y is there. So it looks like a equation of parabola, right? And that too upward facing parabola, right? But
Yes, ma'am.
this type of parabola which we have learned, which you have learned, here the vertex is 0 comma 0. Okay, the here these parabolas vertex are 0 comma 0. That means it will touch here like this. It will touch the origin 0 comma 0. That's the vertex. Let me tell you what is the meaning of vertex. This is the vertex. Okay, this is the vertex of this parabola, which is 0 comma 0. You can check it. Any parabola you have learned, everything is just passing. The vertex is 0 0, right? But here vertex is not 0 0. Can you see? If we will try writing x square is equals to y minus 2, vertex is not 0 0. Again, the standard form of the shifted vertex parabola equation is x minus h whole square is equals to whatever 4a y minus k, where h and k is the vertex of the parabola. Shifted vertex. If the vertex is not 0 0, then equation of parabola will look like this. Can you say it, Murtaza?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, where hk is the vertex. Hk is the vertex. Here, what is h? What is k? In our equation, what is h? What is k?
0 0.
H is 0. K is also 0? No. Y minus 2 we are having. Can you see? Let me keep it in box. This is what we are having in our equation.
Okay, ma'am. So it's minus 2.
2 or minus 2? 2 or minus 2, Murtaza?
2 2.
Only 2. Okay, because the standard form I have written y minus k and I am asking what is k. So k is 2. 0 comma 2 is the vertex over here of our parabola. It is x square is equals to 4ay. X square is equals to 4ay. Parabola looks like this. Right, Murtaza? Vertex is 0 0 over here. Do you know that?
Yes, ma'am.
And if we will shift the vertex to 0 comma 2, our parabola will move upward and will look like this. The vertex is now here where x is 0 and y is 2. Any confusion?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So we will be having this parabola and y is equals to x as you said. Now line is there. X equals to 0 and x equals to 3. X is 0 and x is 3. The line, if we will be drawing x equals to 3, will it be a horizontal line or vertical line, Murtaza? X equals to 3. A horizontal line or vertical line?
Horizontal.
Sure. No, it will be vertical line. Whatever is y, x is 3. Y is 0, like y is 0 but x is 3. Y is 1 but x is 3. Y is 2 but x is 3. Whatever is y but x is 3. If you will start locating this point 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, you will be getting a vertical line. You can check it. 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, 3, minus 1, 3, minus 2. Can you see a vertical line?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, when x equals to 3, it's a vertical line. Okay, now the graph must look like this. And y is equals to x is there. Yeah. This is how our graph will look like. Now, can you tell me what is the area bounded by all the curve x equals to 3? This equation, that is x square is equals to y minus 2 and y is equals to x. Area bounded, bounded word, that means from all the side it must be bounded. Okay, that area we are finding bounded by all the curves and maybe the coordinate axis also. Can you tell me what is the area bounded by all the curves?
Just below parabola.
Exactly, we will be focusing on this area only. Can you see it? This is the area bounded by all the curves.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and now how we'll be finding this area? Here we can take upward curve minus downward curve, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so yeah, we'll be taking upward curve minus downward curve and we will be finding the area bounded by this. Now the point of intersection. Find the point of intersection. We know this one you don't have to find, Murtaza. This one is the shifted vertex. We know that it has to be 0, 2. Okay, this one x is 3 and what is y? So basically here directly, like without even finding all the intersection point, directly we can take that here x equals to 3 is there. X equals to 3 is there, right, Murtaza?
Yes, ma'am.
Here we can take from x as a 0 to x as a 3, upward curve. Which is the upward curve, Murtaza? The parabola or the straight, like y is equals to x? This one or this one? Which one is the upward curve? ऊपर की
Y is
तरफ
equals
कौन
to
सा
X.
कर्व? ऊपर की तरफ कौन सा कर्व है? ध्यान से देखो, ये कर्व ऊपर की तरफ है
Parabola.
या
Yes, ma'am.
ऑफ कोर्स ऊपर की तरफ, तो ये पैराबोला का कर्व है. सो अपवर्ड कर्व माइनस डाउनवर्ड कर्व. Okay, 0 to 3 upward curve is parabola. We will be taking it over here. Minus downward curve, that is y is x. We will be taking from there y. We will try finding, that is x square plus 2. Any confusion, Murtaza?
No, ma'am.
Downward curve, upward curve. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any, like, will you be able to do all by yourself? See, practice required. Okay, you need to practice all the questions from NCRT and the examples also. Then only you will be getting such the same question with different, like, numbers, a little bit different equation. You will be able to do it once you have done this one, but it requires practice. Are you
Okay,
getting
ma'am.
it, Murtaza?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's do the next one also. Okay, triangle one will take time. We will be discussing that. Using integration, the area of the region. Let's do this one. This one quickly we will be able to discuss. Area between the last one I have taken line between the curve this one and the curve this one. Can you tell me how to draw these two curves? y square is equals to 4x. Which which type of shape will be getting out of this y square is equals to 4x?
Parabola.
Parabola, upward facing. Is it upward facing parabola?
Uh, it's side facing or right side.
And the vertex is 0, 0. What about this one? Y is equals to 2x. If you are not getting what exactly y is equals to 2x will be, then you can take the table help. Okay, x, y. When x is 0, y is 0. When x is 1, y is, when x is 1, y is
2.
exactly. Exactly. When x is 2, y is
1.
when x is
1.
2, y is 1. When x is 2, y is 1. Is it so? Check it. X value, when you are going to put 2 over here, are you going to get y as a 1? Seriously, y is equals to 2x. इस इक्वेशन में अगर x के प्लेस पे रैंडमली 2 पुट करेंगे तो y का क्या वैल्यू आएगा?
4. 4.
Why confused, Murtaza? This is how we plot the graph, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so ये भी straight line कुछ ऐसा पास करेगा 0, 0 से. Then x is 1, y is 2. Somewhere here. So this is how we'll be getting a straight line. Okay. You just roughly you will be able to draw the straight line. Y is equals to x will be a line passing through origin, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, y is equals to 2x also will be a line passing through origin only. Okay. The graph which I was showing you, that you can take the help of table, that was just for the reference that you will be getting the same straight line. Okay. Yeah, exactly not same, it will be shifted because here 2x we are having, but that's okay because here completely we have to focus on point of intersection. We don't want to know all the coordinate, we just want to know the point of intersection. So this table will not help us to get the point of intersection. We can solve both the equation to get the point of intersection, right, Murtaza?
Yes, ma'am.
Area bounded by this two curve will you be able to find by taking out point of intersection, this one? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so do it. Again, here also we'll be taking upward curve minus downward curve. Tell me which one is the upward curve. Tell me.
Parabola.
And downward is?
9. Y is equal to.
Exactly. You will be able to find the point of intersection, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And then you will be able to do x is ranging from 0 to whatever you have got over here after finding point of intersection, right, Murtaza?
Yes.
Do try this all question, whatever we have done here quickly. Like one you have done, 2, 3, and 2 we have discussed, 3 we have discussed, and 7 also we have discussed. Okay. Uh, 4, 5, 6 still we have not discussed. If you will be able to do it. Otherwise, leave it. We'll be taking it over here. But first, do these all the questions, whatever we have done. And yeah, along with that, do the example questions also. Okay, practice it.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in the last assessment.
Yeah, please tell me.
So for the fourth, no,
Is it possible for you to send me exact question,
1 second, ma'am.
or you can dictate it?
Yes, ma'am. So for the third question, in the latest assessment,
Hmm.
the area bounded by the curve y is equal to log x, and the coordinate axis is, that was the question.
Hmm.
Uh,
And
when I calculated it, I got infinity, but then the correct answer is 1. So I wanted to know why.
do you know the how exactly the log x diagram, like the graph we are having? Do you know, Murtaza? You should know, because in class 11 and in class 12 also, logarithm function